Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up PHP server environment on a fresh server. We will install Apache, MySQL, PHP, PHPMyAdmin, Composer, Git, and configure everything properly. Since there is a lot to cover, we would not be able to complete everything in one video. So this is part 1 and the remaining setup will be shared in the next part. So let's get started. First thing is first first step, you will log in your server. The command is ssh root at, here is the IP of your server. You will enter your IP here. Now enter your password. Now you are logged in successfully. The second step is I will install Apache server. Before installing the Apache server, update all packages in your server. So the command is after that install Apache web server. The command is sudo apt install Apache 2. Press enter, press Y to continue. You can see the Apache server has been installed successfully. Now I will install firewall. Why firewall command is important? Because they protect your server from unauthorized access while still allowing necessary services like Apache to run. And the command of the firewall setup is sudo ufw. This command give us list of all application registered with the firewall. The next command is how to enable the firewall for security. The command is sudo ufw enable. The next command is allow incoming traffic for Apache services. Sudo ufw allow in, press enter. The next command is sudo ufw app update Apache full. This command update firewall rules for Apache. The next command is sudo ufw allow Apache. Now I will check the status of the firewall. Command is this sudo ufw status. The next step is install MySQL server. The command is sudo install MySQL server. Press Y to continue. MySQL database server has been installed successfully. Now the next command is MySQL underscore secure underscore installation. That command will give us secure MySQL with recommended setting. The command is this sudo mysql sorry sudo mysql underscore secure underscore installation. Press enter, press Y. Here is your password strength. I will press 0, that indicate too low. Press Y, press Y, press Y. Everything is done successfully. So I will now I will test it is working. My SQL is working fine or not. The command is this sudo mysql. Here you can see I'm successfully logged in MySQL server. Now I will exit. The next step is testing database connection. Now I will log in again. Sudo mysql. Press enter. Here I can create database. First I will create the database. Sorry, the command will in capital create database name. I will write here pkc underscore test. The database has been created successfully. Now I will create a user and their password. The command is alter user root at localhost identified caching underscore sha2 underscore password by. Here you can write your password. I will write test at 987. Press enter. The user and their password has been created successfully. Now I'll logged out and try to log in with username and password. MySQL minus u root. Minus u indicate to user name, that is the root, and minus p indicate to password. Now I will give the password test at 987. Now I logged in successfully. Uh, Before that I created database. Now I want to check my database has been created or not. So the command is show database, show databases. Press enter. Here you can see pkc underscore test. Okay. Now I will exit that. The next step is I want to install PHP because my project is PHP project, and so I need the PHP dependency and their dependencies, so I will install PHP. So the command is sudo apt lib apache 2 dash mod dash php space php dash mysql. sudo apt install php. Press enter to continue. Don't worry, I will give you the list of all commands. PHP has been installed successfully, so now I will check the PHP version. The command is php -v. Here you can see PHP version 8.1.2 has been installed. Now I want to install the PHP dependencies that are required for my project. So sudo apt install php mb string php-zip space php-gd space php-json space php-space php-cli space and unzip. Press enter. Press Y to continue. These are the additional PHP extensions for modern applications that are required. Okay, the next step is create a PHP file for testing. So I will go to su- sudo nano var www html info.php. Nano is the editor. Var www/html, this is the path, and info.php, this is the test file. Press enter here. I will write, I will first give the PHP tag, PHP info, Control O, and press enter to save the file. Control X to exit that file. Now, in the previous video, I told you how to check the uh, number of files in existing directory. So cd var www html, press ls, and the command give us info.php, means that file exists in that directory. Okay, now I want to go back. I press cd, open your browser, and write your IP here. My IP is 37 slash info.php. Here you can see the system return, the PHP version, and everything, all dependencies that we installed in our server. Okay, the next step is I want to install phpMyAdmin. Why? Because to manage my SQL database via browser, because that is for you, that is the user interface of MySQL, so it is easy for you to understand the database operations. So first of all, go to your terminal, and now I want to update all the packages. So I will write the command sudo apt update, then sudo apt install php myadmin. Press enter, press Y to continue. I will select Apache 2 server. Press OK. Press yes. Write the password here. Test at 987. Confirm your password. Test at 987. Press enter. Okay, an error occurred while installing the database. Line number 1, your password does not satisfy your current policy requirement. Your options are so. Don't worry about this. Just ignore it. phpMyAdmin has been installed successfully. Now I will install the extra dependencies. The command is sudo phpenmod space mbstring. The next command is sudo systemctl restart apache 2. Sudo systemctl restart apache 2 will restart your Apache server. So the next command is I will open the config file, Apache 2 config file, Apache config file I mean, and I will add the link, I will add the path of the phpMyAdmin, and then you can log in your phpMyAdmin on your browser. So first of all, I will go to that directory, sudo nano etc space apache 2 slash apache2.conf. Go to the bottom of that file and write include slash etc slash phpMyAdmin slash apache.conf and press enter. Include slash etc slash phpMyAdmin slash apache conf. Press Ctrl O and enter to save the file and Ctrl X for exit. Now open your browser and write here php myadmin, enter. Here you can see we have successfully installed php myadmin. So username is root and password is test at 987. Then press go. I'm successfully logged in. Here is my database that I created through the command. Now you can create more commands, more databases here. Okay, that is the part 1 of our PHP server environment setup. We have successfully installed Apache, Firewall, MySQL server, PHP, phpMyAdmin. So in the next video we will we will continue with advanced configuration and project deployment. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel for part 2. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.